guys! Kaya pwede with me, mag-isip lang. Kasi pumunta kami Manila. Tapos pumunta kami sa So, dapat, nag-schedule siya ng 11. Which is, it's currently 10 na. Nag-schedule na kami 9. Wait, hindi pa makakabit kami ng 11. Since, pati-rest kami na sa kabit na. So, that's like an hour away. Mga na kami lahat. Guys. So, ito yung bag na ginamit ko nung nakain natin kasi gusto. So, hindi naman water. Baby ko. Blush. And powder. Ayos mo yan. Brush. I just want this. So, then here. AI pinapanood mo? AI nga yun. Wait mo. So guys, we're at Pass Speaker. Oh. Ano yung video? Ano? Okay, you can buy that. So guys, we're gonna try this. Ano ba to? So we're gonna try this. Alin? Try ko yung yellow. Grocery yellow. Oh, mainit pa siya, konti. Vlog. Yeah. This. Look at my camera. What happened? Wow, bati sila. Ang ganda, guys. So, we're here at Xiaomi Service Center. So, guys, we're buying Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen. By my mother. That's their price. Gusto ko lang yung chocolate. Na vanilla ice cream.
have ice cream. Ice cream. So our order is ice cream. So we're gonna buy lots of mango. So guys, now we're going home. We're going home. And I don't know where the car is. Where did you park the car? So init inside. So init here ah. Nandos sauce. What? Saan? I don't, yeah, it's Fortuner. So like, these are the things that we bought. So that's it for today, guys. I'm home. I'm so tired. Say bye. Goodbye, guys. Oh, he's smelling me. Goodbye.